Good afternoon everyone. Let's take a break from Tagalog WOTD and let's continue having Tagalog affixes in this video. And for today, let's have a suffix, and that is an. If you've heard of words like manukan, babuyan, palayan, that is the suffix an attached to nouns. Being attached to a noun, it creates a new word, and often it is a place or a location. And by looking at the noun our suffix is attached to, will give you a clue on what you will expect or what you will find in that location or place or area. So let's have examples. For our first example, let's have palayan. Palay, and I'm not talking about the rice grain but the plant itself. If I say palayan, palay plus the suffix an, palayan, that means rice field. So what do you expect to find there? Of course, palay. So for our second one, let's have saging. Saging means saging, banana, and with suffix an, sagingan, we used to live in a sagingan before. So sagingan is an area or a place where a lot of saging grows. So for our next example, let's have manok. Manok. Manok means chicken. So, second letter from the last is a vowel, right? Letter O, manok. So, with that, we have to change letter O to letter U first, and then we're going to attach the suffix an. So now, we have manukan. Manukan. Manukan, and that means another example. We have wait, oh my god, how could I forget? Fourth example is Niyugan. Niyugan. So niyug means coconut, and again, just like manok, the second letter from the end of the word is a vowel. Again, letter O. So first we have to change that to letter U. So now we have niyug. 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 So let's attach suffix an. Now we have niyugan. 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 Niyugan means coconut farm. What do you guys expect to see there? Of course, a lot of niyug. Nakatira ang best friend ko sa niyugan. So, that means my best friend lives in a coconut farm. Niyugan, a place or an area where a lot of coconut trees grow.
Oh my god, sigarilyang di maubos. Someone is smoking. Someone is smoking and I don't like it.
Also, just want to add that suffix an is also attached to root verbs, and it indicates the purpose of or the use of the newly created word. Example is, ang root verb natin ay luto, cook. But if I say lutuan, that means a place or an area is specifically for cooking. Lutuin mo ito. Lutuin mo ito. Cook this. Andun ang lutuan. Or the cooking area is there. The cooking area is there. So, it lets you know, lutuan, lets you know that the area or place is specifically for cooking. or it could also mean appliances used specifically for cooking. So one last example is kainan. Kain means eat. But if I say kainan, a place or an area is specifically for eating. Let's pretend that there's 2 tables here in the patio, and one is for, let's say, other stuff, and one table is just for eating. So let's say that ang mesa na yan ay kainan. Ang mesa na yan ay kainan. Ang mesang iyon ay para sa hardin. So the table here is specifically for eating, and the table there is for gardening. So that's about it. That's all for our Tagalog affixes. It's almost 7:30. Happy weekend! Ala!
What?
No more tungtungan!
No more place for you.
Takto lola more! Yes! Oh wow!